So the cross product is another type of multiplication of vectors. And with the cross product, you get another vector. With the cross product, you get another vector. With the dot product, we got a scalar, a single number. With the cross product, you'll get another vector. Here's the definition of the cross product. So we have this: if vector A is first component A sub 1, second component A sub 2, third component A sub 3, and vector B is vector first component B sub 1, second component B sub 2, third component B sub 3, then the cross product of A and B, of vector A and vector B, is given by A cross B. So now we'll use the what you saw in elementary school as the multiplication symbol, but we read it A cross B, and it's this vector. It is A sub 2 times B sub 3 minus A sub 3 times B sub 2. That's the first component. The second component is A sub 3 times B sub 1 minus A sub 1 times B sub 3. And the third component is A sub 1 times B sub 2 minus A sub 2 times B sub 1. That's the definition of the cross product. To work a problem with a cross product, you could memorize the formula and work it out. Now that we do have an alternate way that you could work it, so I'll show you both ways. Let's do a problem with the formula here. So I'm just going to pick a problem. Here's an example. So I'm going to say, let vector A be -2, 4, 0, and vector B is 1, -3, and another 1. So I made this one up, and I want to find A cross B. So you can see it's not going to be hard to do, but it will be a little tedious. So let's get started. A cross B let's see, A sub 2 is 4. B sub 3 is 1. So it's going to be 4 times 1 minus A sub 3 is 0. 0 times -3. And then, that's the first component. Second component is A sub 3, which is 0, times B sub 1, which is 1, minus a sub 1, which is negative 2, times b sub 3, which is 1. And then the third component is a sub 1, which is negative 2, times b sub 2, which is negative 3, minus, then here we are, a sub 2, which is 4, and that's times b sub 1, which is 1. So I have to carry out this arithmetic. So a cross b is 4 minus 0 for the first component, 0 plus 2 for the second component, and then 6 minus 4 for the third component. So that simplifies to 4, 2, and then 2.